Let's learn words with the letters and the sound NEW. Chew. She always chews her food many times. Grew. The plant grew very fast. Dew. In the morning there is dew on the cherries. Jewel. I can't decide on which jewel to buy. Phew. That was close. Phew. Brew. He brewed coffee for us when we visited. Sue. He name is Susan Boyle. We call her Sue. Screw. He used a wood screw to fix the door. Crew. The flight crew are ready and boarding the plane. Drew. She drew many pictures. View. He had a beautiful view of the mountains and sun. Blew. The wind blew very hard yesterday. Do. We are doing it. Now it is done. Few. I have a few coins. Stew. She made us a delicious beef stew. What other words have the letters or sound EW? Let us know in the comments.